Welcome to our channel. Deleting your Duolingo account permanently removes all your progress and learning data, so make sure this is what you want. Step 1. Understand that deleting your Duolingo account will permanently erase your streak, achievements, progress, and all course data with no recovery option. Step 2. Log into your Duolingo account through the website, as account deletion cannot be done through the mobile app. Step 3. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings page where you'll find account management options. Step 5. Look for the Delete Account or Deactivate Account button and click on it to begin the deletion process. Step 6. Read the warnings about permanent data loss and confirm that you want to proceed with deleting your account. Step 7. Enter your password when prompted to verify your identity and authorize the account deletion. Step 8. Click the final confirmation button to permanently delete your Duolingo account and all associated learning progress. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.